Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Quest. This is the ninth lecture in the series of biomolecules chapter. In this video we will be discussing proteins. So let's get some basics clear. Proteins are the most abundant biomolecules of the living system. Key sources of proteins are milk, cheese, pulses, peanuts, fish, meat. They occur in every part of the body and form the fundamental basis of structure and functions of life. They are also required for growth and maintenance of body. The word protein is derived from Greek word proteos, which means primary or of prime importance. All proteins are polymers of alpha amino acids. Now next we will discuss alpha amino acids. So amino acids contains amino group and carboxylic functional groups. When the carbon contains both the carboxyl group and the amino group on the same carbon, it is known as alpha amino acid. So depending upon the relative position of amino group with respect to carboxyl group, the amino acids can be classified as alpha, beta, gamma, delta and so on. Remember that only alpha amino acids are obtained on hydrolysis of protein. They may contain other functional groups also. All alpha amino acids have trivial names which usually reflect the property of that compound or its source. Example, glycine. Glycine is so named because it has sweet taste. In Greek, glykos means sweet and tyrosine was first obtained from cheese. So in Greek language, tyros means cheese. Amino acids are generally represented by a three-letter symbol. Sometimes one-letter symbol is also used. Example, we will see in the table. So first is simplest amino acid is glycine. Here there is a carbon atom in which there is a hydrogen, there is a COOH group is attached, there is NH2 group is there, and again there is a hydrogen. So this is glycine. So if one hydrogen is replaced and we have to substitute by CH3, it becomes alanine. So three letter symbol for glycine is GLY and one letter code is capital G, right? Similarly for alanine, three letter symbol is capital A, small l, A and one letter code is capital A. Now we will study classification of amino acids. So amino acids are classified as acidic, basic or neutral depending upon the relative number of amino and carboxyl groups in their molecule. Suppose amino group is equal to carboxyl group in the protein structure, then it will be a neutral amino acid. That is, it has pH is equal to 7. But if COH is greater in number than NH2 group, then the amino acid will become acidic. And if the NH2 number is high, then the amino acid will become basic in nature. That is, pH becomes greater than 7. Now we will study about essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. So the amino acids which cannot be synthesized in the body are known as essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids are those which must be obtained through diet and are known as non-essential amino acids. Some more points we will discuss about amino acids. Amino acids are usually colorless, crystalline solids. They are water soluble, high melting solids and behave like salts rather than simple amines or carboxylic acids. Why they behave like salts? That is a very important question because it is due to the presence of both acidic and basic groups in the same molecule. Now what happens in aqueous solution, the carboxyl group can lose a proton and amino group can accept a proton, giving rise to a dipolar ion is known as Zwitter ion. Let's discuss this Zwitter ion in more detail. This is neutral but contains both positive and negative charges. In Zwitter ionic form, amino acids show amphoteric behavior as they react both with acids and bases. Except glycine, all other natural occurring amino acids are alpha amino acids and are optically active since the alpha carbon is asymmetric. These exist both in D and L forms. Most naturally occurring amino acids have L configuration And L configuration means the NH2 group is present on the left hand side. So this is a amino acid, and what happens is when it is put in solution, this removes the hydrogen ion H plus, and this NH2 accepts this H plus and becomes NH3 plus. So this is a zero ion which contains both positive and negative charges in the same molecule. Now we will study structure of proteins. So proteins are polymers of alpha amino acids, and they are connected to each other by peptide bond or peptide linkage. Chemically, peptide linkage is an amide formed between COOH and NH2 group. The reaction between two molecules of similar or different amino acids proceed through the combination of amino group of one molecule with the carboxyl group of the other. The result in the elimination of water molecule and formation of a peptide bond CONH. The product of the reaction is called a dipeptide because it is made up of two amino acids. Now let's see the mechanism of peptide formation. So here we have taken two amino acids. This is one, this is two. So carboxyl group of one amino acid reacts with the NH2 group of other amino acid from where water molecule is removed, and thus leading to the formation of CONH bond between two structures, first and second. This is a peptide bond. Let me explain you in more detail. So for example, when carboxyl group of glycine combines with the amino group of alanine, we get a dipeptide glycyl alanine. So this is glycine molecule. We have already seen this, and this is alanine. So this OH and this hydrogen reacts and form water molecule and leads to the formation of peptide linkage. Now we will read some terms related to proteins. So if a third amino acid combines to a dipeptide, the product is called tripeptide. So a tripeptide contains three amino acids linked by two peptide bonds. So it is very easy, like if three amino acids are joined, so it will be joined by two peptide bonds. Suppose if four amino acids are there in the structure, then it will have three peptide bonds. Peptide bonds means C double bond O N H. This is the peptide bond. So since when 4, 5 or 6 amino acids are linked, the respective products are known as tetrapeptide, pentapeptide or hexapeptide respectively. When the number of such amino acids is more than 10, then the products are called polypeptides. So this is the first part of the protein. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't miss to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Thank you and have a nice day.